Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel Swami Vijay, and this is Swami Vijay speaking to all. In this video I am going to show you how to conduct online video classes in Google Classroom using Google Meet without G Suite, as well as how to link your Google Forms into your Google Classroom to conduct online examinations. First open your Google Chrome browser and then open your Google Classroom. Further type Google Classroom in the Chrome browser and select Google Classroom. Now here you can see Google Classroom has come. So let me click this Google Classroom. Once you select or click this Google Classroom, you will directly log in into your Google Classroom account if you already created the account. Here you can see I have created 3 classes. Now let me select one class. I will select online class for 8th B. So whichever class you have already created or to which class you want to conduct online video classes using Google Meet, you have to open that. Now here under stream, we are going to post the Google Meet online class link. Now how to do that? Let me show you how to do that also. Open another tab. Come to your calendar. Click the calendar. You have logged into your Google Calendar using your Gmail account or Google account. In this calendar, let me show you how to schedule a meeting in your Google Meet. So for that, select time, date, all those things. So let me select for today. Let me select meeting from 5 o'clock to 6 o'clock. According to your class timings, you can schedule the meeting. So first click here and you will get this pop-up. Now add a title. Let us add a title, online class for 8th students. Now you can even select the timing here. Once you click here, you can select the timing, you can change the timings, and at what time you want to end the class also you can select. You can select the duration for 1 hour or even for 1.5 hours. 2 hours duration is there. If you go on, you can select for n number of hours. So that is not a problem in Google Meet. Next one, add guests. You can add guests directly, because if you conduct online classes using Google Classroom, most of you must be having the email address of the students, so you can directly add students. If you don't have email address, or if you don't want to share this class using email address, then you can even save this and then you can share this link in the Google Classroom. Let us know what are more options available. Click this more options. Now let us click add Google Meet video conferencing. So let us click this one. So once it is clicked here, join with Google Meet is generated. Now this is the link and it allows up to 100 participants. That means using Google Classroom and Google Meet without purchasing G Suite also, you can conduct classes for maximum 100 participants. Now first you have to do copy this meeting link, copy it, and then save this class. Now once you saved that one, here you can see here the online class for 8 using Google Meet, the link has been created in your Google Calendar, but this calendar is not visible to the students as these two things are not linked. So now let us go back to the classroom, come to your online class for 8th B. Now under stream, come to this posts and click the post, online class, to which class you want to share this link. Select that class, online students, online class for 8th B. So let me select this online class for 8th B students. Whether you want to share this link to all the students or to few students, that option is also available. Let us select all the students, complete it. Now you have to write what is actually this one. So let us write this online class in Google Meet, so students can understand this is for online class in Google Meet, this post. Now here, see here, add option is there. Click this add option. Once you click this add option, you can add Google Drive, Google Link, file and YouTube. Now let us add the link. Click the link and here you have to copy the Google Meet online class link. Select this one, click right tab on your mouse and paste. Now here the Google Meet online class link has been copied. Now we will select this add link. Once you click add link, now here you can see the class video meeting has been posted in our Google Classroom. Now you have to post this so that students can see this link from their login and they can join in the Google Meet online class. But before posting, there are few more controls are there. Let us know. You can post directly or even you can schedule it. So if you want to conduct online class at 5 p.m. exactly, and if it is still 4:40, you can schedule even the post also in your Google Classroom. So let us learn. Schedule, select it. Now here you can see the date and time also available. You can change the date or you can even change the timing under schedule announcement. So we don't want to schedule. Let me post that Google link directly into the Google Classroom. So select post and click. Now here you see the magic. The Google Classroom link, I mean the Google Meet online class link has been posted into the class Google Classroom. Now you may be having doubt whether this is visible to the students if they have not purchased G Suite. Then let me log into the student account and let me show you whether this is visible or not. So this is my account. Now I am going to log in into the student account. I'll change here. I'll log into the student account. The name of the student is Yashodananda Swami. So let me select that account. Now I have logged in as a student using Yashodananda Swami. Now let me enter into his Google Classroom. Now here you can see the login is student's login, and here the student has to click or select the class which I am going to take. He is class 8 student, so he will select this class. Once he click this, he will come to the Google Classroom. Under stream you can see here the magic online class in Google Meet class video meeting. The link has been successfully shared in the Google Classroom without even purchasing the G Suite. Now students will click this link from their login ID, and once they click this, let us see what will happen. Once they select this at the scheduled time, once they click this, they will come and wait in the lobby getting ready. You will be able to join. So the student is ready to join. Now you come back to your login here, and this is the teacher's login, and the teacher will also log into the classroom. So the teacher can conduct online classes using Google Classroom, linking Google Meet in the Google Classroom without purchasing G Suite. This is the method you can use to link your Google Meet online classes link into your Google Classroom and to conduct online classes using Google Classroom without any problem. Now the second one is how to take online examination in the Google Classroom only without leaving the platform. If you have already prepared a question paper in your Google Drive using Google Forms, then come to classwork. Under classwork, select create. Under create, select quiz assignment. Now here you have to mention the title online test for 8th B, and if you want to add any instructions, you can add the instructions. Here one already blank quiz form is generated. If you want to create a new question paper using blank quiz forms, you can create, but if you already created one question paper using Google Forms, you can directly add that question paper. So let me show you how to add that question paper into your Google Classroom. For that, click this add. Click that add. You will get here Google Drive, link, file and YouTube. You can directly link your Google Drive, or you can directly copy the link and paste here. So let us see how to link your Google form into your Google Classroom. So select Google Drive. Once you select Google Drive, it will open your Google Drive. It will open your Google Drive. Here you can see I have already prepared one question paper to conduct online examination. Now we have to select this question paper and to attach this question paper into our Google Classroom. So let me show you how to do that. Select this one. Here you see insert and select insert. Here you can see The monthly test July 2020 English form has been successfully uploaded or inserted into your Google Classroom. After that, you can assign the question paper immediately, or you can even schedule the timing for the question paper. For that, click this extra options under assign. Here you can assign the question paper immediately, or you can schedule the release of a question paper, and you can even save the draft also, or you can even discard the draft also. So let us assign this immediately. So it's showing assigning. Now it is assigned. Now let us see in the student login whether this question paper is visible for the students or not. So this is students login. Let me update it once. Here you can see the online class which we are going to conduct in Google Meet link is successfully generated. And now under classwork, we have to see whether the question paper which we have attached to conduct online examination is available for students or not. And here you can see under classwork, online test for 8th B, the post has been already created. Assignment, so the students will click this, and under view assignment they will click the view assignment. Here you can see the Google form question paper has been attached. As we have not deleted the by default generated Google form, it is also still attached, but here you can see the question paper which I have attached inserted is successfully attached and inserted into the Google form. So the students will select this, they will click this one, and they will come to the question paper and they will complete writing online examination, and you will get the result of the online examination in your Google Drive, as well as it will be found even in your Google Classroom. So this is the method you have to follow to link your Google Classroom with Google Meet to conduct online classes, and to link your Google Drive or Google Forms to take online examinations in one platform, and that is Google Classrooms. So this is one of the best methods to take online classes and to conduct online examination using a single platform, Google Classroom, without purchasing G Suite. So thanks for watching this video, and if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell notification so that you can receive latest updates information the moment I upload videos on YouTube. So thanks for watching this video. Stay home, stay safe, and stay strong.